To all the people of the FairView fire, my apologies and condolences to anybody. I'm just here to make this footage to show everybody what was the aftermath. And again, I'm very sorry for all your losses. This is a very sad moment, including my own family who lives on this street. And if there's anything I can do, please leave a comment. If there is any funding or GoFund pages, they'll be in the description. Any source of help. Thank you to all the firefighters, all the police, everybody, animal control. Thank you very much. This is very sad, guys. Hopefully you guys like the footage, but again, it's very sad.